To switch electricity plans in the Energy Australia app. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to switch electricity plans using the Energy Australia app. We'll walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Energy Australia app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your account to access your electricity plan options. From the main screen or menu, navigate to the section labeled Plans or Energy Services. This is where you'll be able to view your current plan and explore others. Here, you'll see details about your current electricity plan, including usage rates and contact terms. Take a moment to review this information so you can compare effectively. Tap on options like See Other Plans or Switch Plan to browse what's available in your area. The app will show you various electricity plans you can switch to. Carefully compare features such as pricing, discount, fixed rates, and contact lengths. Make sure the new plan fits your household's usage and budget. Once you've chosen a plan, tap Switch to this plan. Review the plan terms carefully, then proceed to confirm your selection. Follow the prompts to finalize your switch. Some plans may require verification. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation via email or in-app message. You can track the status of your plan switch in the My Account or Activity section. This ensures you stay updated until the new plan becomes active.